question 8 is new to me, but the concept is very easy. Okay, they said that they have a peptide there. Each one is an amino acid and not amino acid joined together. How many bases for this name of mRNA molecules? Okay, encoding this peptide. So just remember one basic thing. How many bases for one amino acid? One amino acid. Do you remember? You can't forget it. Why? One amino acid. Codon, anticodon. Okay, 3 bases for one amino acid, right? So each one is one amino acid. So it's a counting game. So count it 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't want to do it. You do it, okay? What's the last one? Okay. 18. So we have 18 amino acid here. Multiplied by 3. What's the answer? 54. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so you just check you one basic concept. 3 bases for one amino acid. I'm sure you remember it, right? Just connect that knowledge with this question. It's a little bit hard at first sight, right? Right, especially had this kind of different distractor here, different structure, okay? But I'm sure you can do it, okay? Because you are awesome. So see you for next question, okay? If you like our channel, like our channel, remember subscribe it and share with your friends, okay? See you guys. Bye.